Swimming helps to keep you physically fit and is also most entertaining. However, your eyes need some kind of protection for clear vision and to prevent contact with chlorine found in pool water. You need the best swimming goggles with a nose cover that can prevent unexpected water gasping and prevent eye irritation. In addition, these swimming goggles are ideal for other water activities like deep diving and snorkeling. These goggles come with adjustable straps for providing a customized fit. In addition, they are also available in different colors. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best swimming goggles with nose cover on the market. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 1. X-Vision Snorkel Diving Mask. Looking for the widest viewing angle in a pair of swimming goggles? Try this one by X-Vision with polycarbonate lenses that allow for 180-degree vision. The tempered glass provides superior clarity during deep dives. The food-grade soft silicone skirt of the mask is waterproof and fits every curve of your face for a secure fit. The mask has adjustable buckles, which can be easily manipulated to fit your face better even while you are wearing gloves. The unique double-seal design ensures that no water enters into the mask. The anti-fog feature keeps your vision non-blurry for better underwater visibility, while the scratch-resistant lenses provide superior protection. This one-size-fits-all diving mask is perfect for free diving, scuba diving, snorkeling, or just a fun day at the pool. Pros: wide vision, adjustable buckles, tempered lenses, scratch-resistant, watertight, leak-free. Cons: none. Number 2. Aquasphere Toddler Swim and Snorkeling Mask. Who said that these nose-cover swimming goggles are only made for adults? Behold the Aquasphere Toddler Swim and Snorkeling Mask, which features a comfortable nose pocket. It effectively keeps the water from entering your tots' noses as they play and splash in the water. Besides watertight comfort, it also offers a great waterproof seal. There are a lot of positives about this mask, such as the lens that offers a 180-degree distortion-free vision as well as protection from UV rays. That, coupled with the easy-to-adjust buckle system, make these goggles absolutely amazing for your toddler to wear for long hours in the swimming pool. Finally, as parents, you'll love the high-quality build and the compact design that ensures durability and allows for easy mobility, storage, and even transport. Pros: comes in 4 colors. The nose cover is comfortable and watertight. Cons: a little bit expensive. Number 3. X-Vision Pano 2 Premium Swimming Goggles. The X-Vision Pano 2 is a premium quality swimming goggle with a nose cover. There are 3 lenses with the goggles, and it comes with a panoramic view. You can enjoy the sceneries underwater, and the goggles stay on while you are snorkeling or swimming. This goggle is different from other swim goggles in the market as it has side panels that make it possible for you to see everything around you. There are almost no blind spots with this goggle, which is pretty good for scuba diving goggles. The lens is larger than usual so that there are no blind spots. If your mask gets blind spots, you could get nervous and anxious about it. There's no need to worry because this one gives a clear panoramic view so that there are no blind spots for you. The lens is an anti-fogging lens that has no tint. It is also made using tempered glass so that it will not shatter under pressure. There's 100% clarity no matter what the condition is around you. There's a silicone seal around the goggles, so there is no water leak. However, if your nose is on the larger side, you may find goggles might not fit you well. If you have a long distance between your eyes, it might not fit either. Pros: 30-day money-back guarantee. Lifetime warranty against breakage. Adjustable head strap. Cons: the fitting runs a little small. Number 4. X-Vision View Scuba Diving Mask. The X-Vision Adult Pano 3 has all the makings of a comfortable goggle for all your underwater adventures. The 3-lens panoramic snorkel goggles offer you an unobstructed, 180-degree view for all your underwater adventures. What's more, the lens even has an anti-fog, ultra-clear, no tint coating applied to its inner surface, presenting a clear and undistorted view as you swim underwater. However, it's the nose cover that really helps with your underwater swim. It even comes with a ram or a flap that not only covers the nose but the area around it too. So, when you go underwater, there's zero leakage of the water into the nose, besides having a lot of space for comfort. Besides the above, the mask even has a 100% soft silicone skirt that ensures that no water leaks through to the face as you dive under the surface of the water. What's more, the tempered glass lens is also shatterproof, allowing you to go as deep as you want in the water. And thanks to the adjustable silicone straps, the goggles fit most facial shapes, contours, and sizes. Pros: the nose cover fits all shapes and sizes of noses. 180-degree view-through lenses. Leak-proof. Cons: it's slightly tight between the eyebrows. Number 5. OMGear Swimming Goggles. The 3-in-thick neoprene strap cover of these OMGear swimming goggles prevents any hair from getting tangled. The soft, food-grade liquid silicone strap and skirt makes these swimming goggles a comfortable and environment-friendly option. The quick-adjust buckles can be easily manipulated to fit your face better even while wearing gloves. The tempered glass lenses of this pair of swimming goggles ensure a wide-angle view. The individual pieces of tempered glass provide superior clarity during deep dives, while also being extremely strong. The scratch-resistant lenses provide superior protection. These goggles can be worn by anyone over the age of 12 and are perfect for snorkeling tours. Pros: adjustable buckles, wide view, tempered lenses, leak-free, waterproof, anti-fog, comfortable fit. Cons: none. Look for the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on this channel.